Another video, guys. It's Jonathan Johnson here, and I'm showing you how to find the Billy in the fridge location, or the kid in the fridge. First, if you haven't discovered Diamond City, it is right here. You have to go directly right here, or if you haven't, you would have to go to your sanctuary, travel all the way down here to about right this area. If you discover this boat thingy submarine, you'd have to go directly down here. And so yeah, I haven't seen what this guy looks like yet, so I should go play it out for you guys, you know. So let's go ahead.
Is someone in there? Let me out! Who are you? What does that matter? Just let me out. You might be lying. I'm not, I swear. I got inside to be safe. Now I can't get out. If I try something, you can shoot. Let me think about it. You're just gonna leave me in here? Don't go. Come back.
Hang on. Dang. Okay, kid in the fridge. Let me just talk to him.
Hey, Billy. Thank you so much. I'll take you someplace safe. I just want to go home. I want to find my mom and dad. I hate to tell you this, but your parents are probably dead.
You don't think that talk of all can really get itself?
Dead? You really think so? Hope they take care of me. You. You can travel with me, see the world, or what's left.
This may not work.
They've been gone for hundreds of years now. Thanks for nothing.
Thanks for nothing. I let you free for over 200 years, and you said thanks for nothing. You are free, man. So I guess you have to be all on your own now. I'm sorry you've been trapped in there. It's a pretty stupid idea, but like it was good because you're alive. So you know, I hope you survive on your own, and good luck, Billy. Even though you look like a ghoul. Yeah, see you later. Okay. Guys, you have to like, subscribe, comment on what you want me to do next. And yeah, I hope you liked this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.